Ladies and gentlemen, this is Intervlog. Welcome to another exciting episode where we bring you the most inspiring and groundbreaking stories shaping our beloved continent, Africa. Today we celebrate a remarkable achievement in Burkina Faso, a story that exemplifies true leadership, resilience, and the unwavering spirit of a nation committed to self-sufficiency. At the heart of this success stands the visionary leader of Burkina Faso, Captain Ibrahim Traore. His commitment to agricultural transformation is nothing short of extraordinary. Through his strategic vision and dedication, Burkina Faso has taken a giant leap toward food self-sufficiency. A testament to this effort is the recently concluded potato harvest in the north-central region, an accomplishment that speaks volumes about the government's unwavering support for farmers and internally displaced persons, PDIs. To ensure the success of this agricultural drive, President Traore took decisive action by acquiring 400 tractors in 2024. These machines played a pivotal role in cultivating vast stretches of farmland, facilitating a bumper harvest of potatoes that is set to make a significant impact on food security in the country. This bold move reflects the government's determination to empower local farmers with the necessary tools and resources to enhance productivity and ensure sustainable development. But what truly captured the hearts of many was the exemplary leadership displayed by the Prime Minister of Burkina Faso, Rimtalba Jean-Emmanuel Ouedraogo. In a rare and humbling moment, the head of government did not just stand on the sidelines, but rolled up his sleeves, grabbed a hoe, and joined local farmers in digging out massive potatoes from the rich, fertile soil of Burkina Faso. Imagine the scene. The Prime Minister, side by side with hardworking farmers, happily and diligently harvesting the fruits of their labor, while onlookers marveled at his humility and dedication. This is leadership at its finest. Leadership that connects with the people, that inspires hope, and that demonstrates genuine commitment to national progress. The visit to the agricultural production sites in the north-central region was a testament to the resilience and dynamism of Burkina Faso's farmers. The Prime Minister's tour took him to several key sites, including the integrated farm Seguen Managre, a 3-hectare farm owned by Jean-Louis Ouedraogo. This farm is a model of diversified agriculture, combining fish farming, beekeeping, poultry farming, and sheep husbandry. Such initiatives underscore the importance of integrated agricultural approaches that not only enhance food production, but also create employment opportunities for the people. Another significant stop was at the marsh perimeter in Sector 6 of Kaya, where internally displaced persons and host communities have come together to cultivate crops. Of the 102 farmers working on this land, 75 are PDIs, an inspiring example of resilience and adaptation. With government support, these farmers received essential agricultural inputs, including fertilizers, motor pumps, sprayers, and sprinklers, to boost their productivity. The highlight of the Prime Minister's tour was his visit to the village of Kulogo, a major hub for potato cultivation. Here, 325 farmers, including 51 PDIs, have been working tirelessly to produce a projected 7,700 tons of potatoes this season. To support their efforts, the government provided vital agricultural inputs worth hundreds of thousands of CFA francs. This intervention is a clear demonstration of President Traore's vision to transform Burkina Faso's agricultural sector into a powerhouse of food production and economic growth. As Prime Minister Rimtalba Jean-Emmanuel Ouedraogo dug deep into the soil, unearthing potatoes of remarkable size, it was more than just an act of harvesting. It was a symbol of a government that is deeply rooted in the welfare of its people. The smiles, the cheers, and the heartfelt appreciation from the farmers said it all. This moment was a powerful illustration of good governance in action. A government that does not just make policies from offices, but actively participates in the development of its nation. The agro-pastoral and fish offensive, championed by President Traore, is proving to be a game changer in Burkina Faso's quest for food security. No longer should Burkina Faso, after 65 years of independence, be reliant on food aid to meet its needs. With strong leadership, strategic investments, and the unwavering spirit of its people, the nation is now paving its path towards self-sufficiency. Intervlog stands in admiration of the incredible efforts of President Ibrahim Traore and his government. This is a leader who understands the power of agriculture, who values the hard work of farmers, and who is determined to create a prosperous future for all Burkina Faso people. His leadership is not just about making decisions, it is about action, about inspiring a movement, about transforming lives. To the farmers of Burkina Faso, to the internally displaced persons who have refused to be defined by their circumstances, and to every individual contributing to this agricultural revolution, Intervlog salutes you. Your dedication and resilience are shaping a brighter future for Burkina Faso, and the world is taking notice. Ladies and gentlemen, the success of the potato harvest in Burkina Faso is not just a story of agriculture, it is a story of leadership, vision, and unity. It is a story that reaffirms our belief that with the right support and determination, Africa can feed itself and thrive. Stay tuned to Intervlog as we continue to bring you the most inspiring stories from across the continent. Like, share, and subscribe to our channel as we celebrate the triumphs of Africa, one success story at a time. Farming in the North Central, Rimtalba Jean, Emmanuel Ouedraogo salutes the resilience and dynamism of producers. Prime Minister Rimtalba Jean Emmanuel Ouedraogo visited several agricultural production sites in the North Central region this Thursday, February 6, 2025. The purpose of this tour was to assess the dynamics of agricultural production and highlight the involvement of internally displaced persons, PDI. Through this tour of agricultural production sites, the Prime Minister, Rimtalba Jean Emmanuel Ouedraogo, was able to get an idea of the diversity and strategic importance of agriculture in the North Central region. Indeed, in the locality of Tingresene, the first stage of his visit, the head of government discovered the integrated farm Seguend Managre, owned by Jean-Louis Ouedraogo. This 3-hectare site combines several agricultural and livestock activities, including sheep mouth, fish farming, beekeeping, and poultry farming. The delegation led by the Prime Minister then went to Sector 6 of Kaya, where a 3-hectare marsh perimeter is operated by internal displaced persons (PDIs) and members of host communities. Of the 102 perimeter operators, 75 are PDIs. Finally, in the village of Kulogo, Rimtalba Jean Emmanuel Ouedraogo visited a maraîcher perimeter specialized in potato cultivation. 325 operators, including 51 PDIs, work there. Expected production for this campaign is 7,700 tons of potatoes. Inputs and agricultural equipment were given on occasion to the producers. Thus, the farmers in Sector 6 of Kaya received an estimated subsidy of 225,000 CFA francs, consisting of fertilizers, motor pumps of sprayers, and sprinklers. At the Kulogo site, the support granted is worth 797,000 CFA francs. At the end of the tour, the head of government expressed his satisfaction with the achievements observed and his admiration for the diversity and quality of the cultures produced in an environment often considered hostile. This is an outing to get closer to the actions being carried out as part of the agro-pastoral and fishy offensive here in the North Central region. What we have seen gives us many reasons for satisfaction, he said. The Prime Minister also praised the resilience and drive of internally displaced persons participating in agricultural production. He also recalled the government's efforts to support producers through subsidies and agricultural inputs. Producers expect more support, including to expand farmland and improve crop conservation. The agro-pastoral and fish offensive is taking these challenges into account, and we are certain that the objectives will be met. The government is determined, under the direction of the head of state, to put in all efforts to achieve food self-sufficiency, he stressed. For him, it is inconceivable that 65 years after Burkina Faso's independence, we are still forced to ask for food aid to meet our needs. Through this visit, the Prime Minister reaffirmed the government's commitment to supporting agricultural initiatives, encouraging producer resilience and strengthening actions for sustainable and prosperous agriculture. Speech by President Captain Ibrahim Traore on the success of the harvest. Ladies and gentlemen, my fellow Burkinabe and all those who believe in the power of resilience, unity, and progress, it is with great pride and an unwavering sense of purpose that I address you today. Burkina Faso stands at a defining moment in our history. A moment where our commitment to food sovereignty and self-sufficiency is no longer just a dream, but a tangible reality. Nous avons toujours su que notre force réside dans notre terre et dans nos mains. Un arbre sans racines ne peut survivre. A tree without roots cannot survive. And today, my dear compatriots, we are witnessing the fruits of our hard labor, our deep roots in agriculture bearing bountiful harvests for our great nation. One of the most significant achievements of our government is the remarkable potato harvest in the north-central region. This is not just a harvest. It is a testament to our resilience, our ability to defy adversity, and our determination to shape our own destiny. The success of this agricultural campaign reflects our unwavering commitment to self-sufficiency, ensuring that Burkina Faso will no longer rely on external aid to feed its people. In 2024, we took bold steps to strengthen our agricultural sector. We acquired 400 tractors, modernizing our farming practices and enabling our farmers to cultivate more land efficiently. These machines have revolutionized agriculture, allowing us to expand production and increase yields. The result? A projected 7,700 tons of potatoes from the Kologo site alone. This is more than just numbers. It is food on our tables, livelihoods for our farmers, and progress for our nation. Leadership is not about sitting in an office making decisions. Leadership is about action. It is about showing the people that their government is with them, working alongside them. And that is why I salute our Prime Minister, Rimtalba Jean-Emmanuel Ouedraogo, for his remarkable demonstration of humility and dedication. Imagine this scene. The Prime Minister, a man of great responsibility, rolling up his sleeves, grabbing a hoe, and joining our farmers in digging out massive golden potatoes from the rich Burkinabe soil. This was not just a symbolic act. It was a powerful message to every citizen that no task is too small, and no role is insignificant in the development of our nation. C'est en mettant la main à la pâte que l'on façonne le pain. It is by kneading the dough that one shapes the bread. Our government is not just making policies. We are actively shaping a prosperous future, side by side with our people. Agriculture is the heartbeat of our economy. It is the foundation upon which our prosperity is built. And we recognize that our farmers are the unsung heroes of our nation. They toil under the sun, braving challenges, yet never giving up. This is why we have put in place strong support mechanisms to ensure their success. At the Kologo potato site, 325 farmers, including 51 internally displaced persons, PDIs, have worked tirelessly to achieve this milestone. Our government has provided inputs worth hundreds of thousands of CFA francs, including fertilizers, motor pumps, sprayers, and sprinklers. These resources have empowered our farmers to cultivate with confidence, knowing that their government stands firmly behind them. Similarly, at the marsh perimeter in Sector 6 of Kaya, 102 farmers, of whom 75 are PDIs, have been integrated into agricultural production, showing that displacement is not the end, but a new beginning. These individuals, forced to flee their homes due to security challenges, have refused to be defined by their circumstances. Instead, they have embraced resilience, finding hope in the fertile lands of Burkina Faso. During the Prime Minister's tour, he visited the Seguen Monagre farm, an integrated agricultural site owned by Jean-Louis Ouedraogo. This 3-hectare farm is a model of innovation, combining fish farming, beekeeping, poultry, and sheep husbandry. It is a perfect example of how diversification in agriculture can lead to greater prosperity. This is the future we are building, a Burkina Faso that does not just farm for survival, but farms for abundance. We will expand these integrated farming models across the country, ensuring that every region benefits from modern and sustainable agricultural practices. The Agro-Pastoral and Fish Offensive, launched under my leadership, is transforming Burkina Faso's agricultural landscape. We are expanding farmlands, modernizing techniques, and investing in storage and conservation infrastructure. We are ensuring that our farmers have access to the best resources so that their hard work is rewarded with prosperity. No longer will we allow our country to depend on food aid. Un pays qui ne nourrit pas son peuple est un pays sans avenir. A country that does not feed its people has no future. Burkina Faso is rising. We are no longer a nation that waits for others to provide. We are a nation that provides for itself. Our commitment to food sovereignty, agricultural transformation, and national resilience is stronger than ever. I want to say to every farmer, every displaced person, every hard-working citizen, your government sees you. Your efforts matter. Your resilience is the strength of our nation. To those watching, Burkina Faso is a land of opportunity, a land of hard work, a land of dignity. Let us continue to work together, to cultivate our land, and to harvest prosperity. The future of Burkina Faso is in our hands. Vive l'agriculture burkinabé. Vive la résilience de notre peuple. Et vive le Burkina Faso. This is the end of our program today. See you on Intervlog same time tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates. Thank you for watching Intervlog. Thank you.